Mierda.
That's not for the week. What did I say? Getting concrete. I'm really in the streets. So watching my feet. My bitches really the baddest. We all saw we gon' cut you in traffic. So then you should put your butt in that casket. Bitch, you know that I'm up in no matching. Like what? This bitch really got me fucked up. Pass me the papers, I need to roll up. This bitch thinks she's up when she's stuck. Like yuck, what the fuck? Because they see you and don't wanna fuck. None of the stuff is not even the butt. New York City, how we doing tonight? Hold on, come on. I've seen some baddies over here. Matter of fact, let me call all the baddies to come to the station right now. I wanna see some shaking. Huh?
Oye, puta, mucho ruido y cero movimiento, ese es tu problema.
No es mío.
Eso es pintado, pero no hacen nada.
Oh.
All talk, no pressure, pura mierda.
Y mientras tú copias, yo soy la fórmula. So when the beat drops, no te confundas. Let's go. Me and my bitches, we really the baddest. We don't stop, we gon' catch you in traffic. Said that you should put you right in the casket. Bitch, you know that I'm up in no matching. Like, huh? Like what? This bitch really got me fucked up. Pass me the papers, I need to roll up. This bitch thinks she's up when she suck. Like yuck, what the fuck? Niggas they see you and don't wanna fuck. Tell me there's something not even the book. Bitch, your best is giving me the clock. Did you ask what you live in this club? Talking about me and I don't give a fuck. Mention my kids, you can live in my trunk. Now you say you're in whole city on hush. I don't chase club, I have purpose to crush. I'm too official, my name is bills. And you do too much to do this well. Me and my bitches, we really the baddest. We all probably gon' catch you in traffic. Spending you should put you right in that casket. Bitch, you know that I'm up in no matching. Like what? Hey, this bitch really got me fucked up. Pass me the papers, I need to roll up. This bitch thinks she's up when she's stuck. Hold on. Talking like this, but your bills past due. Don't confuse attention with value. I don't beef over likes or you.
I don't fight over broke ass dude.
This is that pressure